What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be bringing you what they call the best in 2022's web hosting program. All right, it's called Hostgator. We're going to jump straight into it, but first, thank you for supporting the channel. Keep hitting the like, keep hitting the subscribe, and just get ready because I have got some incredible deals coming up for you on this site. All right, watch the whole video and I will show you the pricing and the deals that you can get just by being affiliated with us and clicking the links down below. Okay, let's get straight in. So here it is, guys, Hostgator, all right? The links are down below, and as you can see already, we've got up to 65% off, all right? We get special deals on the channel all the time, and if you just click the link down below, you're actually going to get taken straight to the site. Now, at the top, we've got hosting, pro hosting, domains, resources, affiliates, contact sign in. Now, what is it? All right, so you go where the pros host. It's the scale from easy to experts, all right? So there's hundreds and hundreds of websites that are using different kind of hosting sites. All right, now 99.9% of uptime is guaranteed here. You get free SSL, security, easy WordPress installs, and free domain for a whole entire year. All right, a whole year you get that for free. Now it's only starting, you can see here, at $2.75 a month. That's less than a Starbucks coffee. All right, less than a coffee every single month. Some people are buying coffees every single day. You can actually get started here. Now, you pick your perfect web hosting plan. You got the shared hosting. All right, it's easy, affordable, and includes a free domain for a year. All right, you got a website builder, which is just drag, drop, and publish. It's really that easy. WordPress hosting, which is 2.5 times the speed. Beefed up the security and free migrations. You've got VPS hosting, all right, so full root accesses in a fully scalable hosting environment. We've got the dedicated hosting, the ultimate in performance, get total server control. The shared host is starting at $275 a month. The website builders at $384 a month. WordPress hosting at $595 a month. VPS hosting at $23.95 a month. And the dedicated hosting, the ultimate performance package, $89.98 a month. Now, the Gator scales. All right, let's get started with it. Let's stay with them. So they've been doing this since the Jurassics. All right, what they mean by that is 2002. So they know the newbies and pros that takes all kinds of plans. So whether you're new, whether you're not new, and you need to get involved in this, all right, they've got it ready for you, already scaled. They're designed to grow with you, so you never outgrow us, unlike with some of the other guys just saying. That's what I'm talking about. Most sites put just enough for you there that you can be good, but you can't go anywhere else because you still need them to do it. These grow with you, so they're giving you every tool you need. That's what's the greatest thing about this. 30% of the customers are web pros. 2 million plus websites currently hosted. We've already been through all this, where you get the free domain, free site transfers, unmetered bandwidth, 99.9% uptime guarantee, one-click installs, and free SSL certificates. Let's have a look at what some of the customers are saying. Excellent service, fast, 110% reliable. I love Hostgator, never had an issue with the support. Awesome, it's a pretty game platform. I highly recommend. I love this, and we do have a 24/7, 365 support. All right, they'll work when you work. You can either call them, chat them, tweet them, find the answers, or just learn stuff on the blog. If you've got questions and I haven't explained this well enough at the start, please just jump in here and actually have a look. Now, what I want to do is go straight to the resources and show you a bit of the knowledge base, right? In the knowledge base, you can actually go through everything and get a really detailed report on what it is you're trying to get involved with. If you're more interested in trying to find the Gator website builder, you can just click on this and it will take you straight to how they can help you. Look at all this information. I can't go through it all in this video. You would turn it off. All right, but it's like, for example, if you want to just optimize, if you're looking for the optimization of your websites, this is what you would go to and have a look. Optimize CPU resources. Okay, they've got everything there. Going back to the top, they've got everything else. If you go to the WordPress hosting, it's actually going to show you the different ways. All right, so you've got this on your mind. WordPress is probably the most famous in the world. All right, you got the starter plan, 40% off. You get one site, 100,000 visits per month. You get the free certificates, 1 GB backup, and the free domain. It's $5.95 a month. Skipping all the way over, they recommend the standard plan, which is 50% off as well. But I recommend the business plan, which is 57% off. That's free sites, 500K visitors, free GB backups, free SSL, free domain, and for $9.95 a month. That's still less than a coffee and a bagel. Coffee and a bagel a month. All right, that's incredible. Now, there is an affiliate side to it. All right, so you can join in and actually start making some cash if you actually refer this. But what you want to do is just get signed in, start this, get to the portal, make yourself an account, get involved. If you need to contact them, get on here right now and contact them. There you go, guys. You've seen it. You've seen the deals that you can have. All right. We bring stuff like this all the time. Sometimes we have lifetime deals. Sometimes we just have crazy, incredible deals. All right. We're going to keep bringing you things like this all the time on this channel. So keep supporting us. I'm super excited by Hostgator. All right. All the features that I listed. It's incredible. I can't wait to get started. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell if you want to be notified. And I will see you on the very next video.